Hello, friends. Today we have to see how make a benchmark. What is benchmark? The people that make 3D models
Cinema 4
always use a software for renderize the models. In this case, we have to see a app that the company make Cinema 4D. This is a software most popular in the market, and we have to learn how to use Cinebench. The first step is going to the Microsoft Store. We have here and put Cinebench. Put in this icon, and we have to click in the install, and in this case I have the program, and I click in the open button. Okay, we have to the program open, and the next step is check the components in our computer. Okay, in this case we have to click here in properties, and I have a Ryzen 5 with 6 core processors of 3.59 gigahertz. My RAM is 16, and I have Windows 10 Pro. This is my computer components, and the next step is check the texting. In this case we have to use multicore. We put in the bottom start, and the program start to work. This step maybe okay, and the program start the testing of all of components. In this case we have to close all page that I have open. For example, close Microsoft Store, the library, the browser, and we have to wait. This process may take some time because the program renders step by step or core by core. Okay, the next step is the core number 2, and in this case we have 6 cores, and maybe take 10 minutes. I think so. And we have to wait all the time. Here we have the raking, and we can choose the options. In this case I can put operative system. For example, in the first topic we have the component AMD Ryzen 3 Deeper. This is the professional processor in the market, and it's very expensive. And we have the other company, Intel, and in this case we have to see how AMD AMD is better than Intel in the multi-core. AMD is used for the streamers because the streamers have multi-platform when they is in stream, because they have open the game, the stream deck, and different tools for the streamers. And I think that Intel is most used by users like for example that only have one program open. For example, I don't know, the professors that they have to for example, a program that they teaching their students. I think so. We have to wait, and in this case we have to see the components. In this case we have to see how the memory is using in 17%. For example, the CPU 100%. Active time 30 minutes. And we have a Radeon RX with 8 GB of GPU. It's a nice graphic processor unit. In this case we have to see all the time here in this number, because the program finish, and we have this point, and in this case the number 7 is better than my computer. I don't know why, because all components are different. We can maybe a works processor, maybe. I don't know why. I think that in the factory different processors can be better than others, because the process to make a processor is different. Maybe when we are in the factory, to make one processor can be better than others, because exist different factors. And I think that for this reason that PC is better than my PC. And that's it. We have 7,000 points, and for example we can check the minimum requirements for use Cinema 4D or any software for 3D model. For example, here we have 2 requirements. We need Windows 10 or Windows 11 16 gigabytes RAM. For example, in my case, I can use this program, and for example, I have the program, and we can check the program, and that's right. We can use this program without problem. In this case, put new, and we can start to work. I don't know how to use this program. Never in my life I use this program, but for example, in my life I use it. I use SolidWorks. This is for automotive engineer, and I can do this program. And that's it, my friends. This is the form that you can make a benchmark in your computer, and that's it. See you later.